Are you losing deals because of outdated kitchens and bathrooms? Do you have picky buyers who just can't find a house they like? Do your buyers want to do renovations but don't have the extra cash? We feel your pain as we have all lost deals because of these problems. In this video, we will tell you how to never lose a deal because of an outdated kitchen or bathroom again. So keep watching. Many buyers just do not want to purchase a house with outdated rooms, and many sellers do not want to invest in updating just to sell. But who wants a kitchen from the 80s or a bathroom from the 70s? These looks are not only outdated but tend to push buyers into looking for something more modern. You know how it is. You show your buyers tons of houses in their desired neighborhood. They finally find a house in the perfect location. It's the ideal size for their family and is within their budget. But one or both of the most important rooms in the house are old and outdated. The seller is unwilling to update or reduce the selling price, so your buyers chose to walk away and keep looking. Now the big question, how to never lose your buyer again. No more worrying about an outdated kitchen or bathroom again. You now have an available solution. By offering your buyers the ability to customize their new house using a 203K renovation loan, you will save many deals. This loan allows your buyer to not only buy that perfect house, but have all the renovation work done by a renovation contractor and do it using just one loan. Plus, these loans are insured by the FHA. According to MyMortgageInsider.com, the buyer can borrow up to 110% of the expected market value once all work is complete, less the 3.5% down payment. This solves the problem of them not having the cash to do the renovation work. Suddenly, you have buyers envisioning a new kitchen and new bathrooms. They see all the possibilities of the renovation, and you now have a solid deal that will go to settlement. Let's solve those picky buyer problems together. Put yourself in a position to never lose a deal because of an outdated kitchen or bathroom again. We will partner with you. We are Matrix Company Solutions Corp. and have over 25 years of experience with 203K loan construction. We are currently offering an exciting program to all real estate agents looking to not only grow their business, but those who want to give their buyers the option to customize their new house. At this time, we are looking to partner with real estate agents in the Philadelphia area. So what does all this mean? Before you even show the house, you can let your buyers know there are outdated rooms, such as the kitchen or bathroom, but assure them they won't have to live with it, that you already have the perfect solution. This makes you a rock star agent. So what are you waiting for? Call us for more information.